You saw ChatGPT show you how to create a for loop, and now you're worried it's going to start messaging you on Slack later. So now you're thinking that all the time you spent learning 10 frameworks, 5 programming languages, and all of your side projects has gone to complete waste. You're wrong. For software engineers who need a reality check, I got you. Is software engineering going to change? Most likely, it always will. But let's look at another industry, automobiles. Are there engineers who work on making better engines, better looking cars, more efficient cars? Yes. I see a future where software engineering takes a similar route. You can even look at a Honda Civic from 2000 compared to the latest model. They both still have 4 wheels, a bunch of windows, and a steering wheel for now, and in that regard, they're kind of similar, but they still have huge teams to build the best car in the market. Kind of similar to websites. There's a team for building the best windows, there's a team for building the best body of the car, and I think we'll see a similar approach to how we build software systems, where teams focus on perfecting every single small part of a system to create the best experience for a user, which is kind of already what happens today. Have an API that processes data in 1 second? By the end of the quarter, let's try to get that to half a second. And so how does AI play into this? It's important to remember that humans have one huge advantage over AI. Critical thinking. AI generally learns from a set of data created by humans at one point and does a great job at filtering this data to reach certain inputs, such as a question put into ChatGPT. But does AI create that data itself? No. We still need humans to sift through information, make the best choice, communicate with others, and build the product. Most importantly, AI has a hard time having a vision for the future as it learns from a dataset from the past. In order to create better AI systems, we still need humans that can make mistakes, learn from them, and create new insights. Systems like ChatGPT essentially just allow users to search through all of human knowledge, but lack the ability to create new knowledge on its own. My intention in making this video isn't to make another cliche AI video. It's to inspire hope into developers. AI is already shifting our market landscape, but this isn't necessarily a bad thing. Companies are already popping up regarding the testing of AI, the collection of safe data for AI to use, and the implementation of AI across many sectors. And who are these companies hiring? People. Real people. Thanks for watching.